Hello, my name is Steve Hendricks and I'm with SDH Flow Controls and also here today at the New York Chem Show at the Flo-Tite booth. It's my pleasure to be able to talk to you a little bit about Flo-Tite product. Flo-Tite is a manufacturer of ball valves, automation, and specialty valving that really works in almost all industrial markets. We cover the iron and steel industry, we cover the power industry, we cover the pharmaceutical industries, and a wide array of applications. Our product line consists of ball valves, automation, as well as a great array of specialty custom products that we can do for our customers in the marketplace. It is now my pleasure to introduce you to Mr. Martin Gibbons, the president and owner of Flo-Tite Valves. Martin?
Hi, I want to take this opportunity to highlight some of the special products that Flo-Tite can offer. Ball valves are one of the most popular quarter-turn valves in the world market today. Our valves have features and benefits that separate us from the many competitors that we have. They're all designed by ideas from our customers, from the maintenance people to the engineer, to the distributor, and the salesman. And I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about our products. A basic ball valve is a three-piece design, which is one of the more popular valves in the market. What we have done to change it is we came up with ideas that allow this valve to be welded into place without disassembly, saving customers lots of time, expensive labor time, and avoid errors, and also save some pipe at the same time. We have a little extended end with these rings that are called heat dissipating rings, which allow time to weld without damaging the valve's soft parts. In addition to that, most people would have long bolts with washers and nuts. Our three-piece valves are unique as they are designed with cap screws, with straight threads, which is easy for maintenance should they have to replace the seats of the valve to remove the straight thread from the valve. As we move along from that particular valve, we look at some of the more specialty items such as a three-way valve or a multi-port, where we've taken our high-performance, high-pressure ball valve and came up with a bottom port. These valves are fire-safe design, high pressure up to 2250 psi. And we make these up to 3-inch in size, from quarter to 3. As we extend over to the multi-port flange valves, you'll see here we offer one of the few companies in the marketplace today that inventories from 1/4 inch up to 8-inch in size, offering up to 18-inch on a trunnion design 3-way valve. We also can do 4-way valves, bottom entry, and 5-way as well when required. Another new product for our company in the last year, which is very important, is a wafer design ball valve. This wafer design ball valve is ideal for space and weight and cost savings to many OEM accounts. We are showing here a typical flange valve with a positioning plate. It will lock into position up just like our butterfly series. You can have a control valve and with a locking handle. We have that from the larger valves to the smaller valves, which will have an adjustable infinite position handle. We move along to control valves. Flo-Tite is one of the few companies that can ship probably within a couple of days most control valves, from a 60-degree V-port to a very small, maybe 1/64 opening. It's kind of hard to see it in this ball, but it does have a solid line across the ball, which will give a very fine, precise flow control. And we also, one of our newer products that we've introduced this year is our CP series. It is a full trunnion, one-seat design ball valve. Flo-Tite has introduced in the last few years a full line of cryogenic ball valves. As you see here with a long stem extension, moving the packing from the valve up into the very top of the extension. This is a flange. You're looking at an ANSI 600-pound valve, which is very hard to find on the market today. We can make valves up to 14-inch for the cryogenic industry. And we've also made extended ends for welding, similar to our others with the heat dissipating rings, but a little longer. And this would be easily converted. You can use a flange on one side of the valve, or you can use an extension of a socket well or a butt well on the same valve. Very easy to customize for a quick shipment. One of the few companies in the industry that is capable of doing that. And over to my right side here is our MaxSeal series of high-performance butterfly valves. We have from a wafer design valve, we can do most any pressure class that is available, up to maybe 1500 ANSI. And then we have our lug design, dead man handle, which is very new to the market in this design, where it could be adapted very easily to the valve as it has an ISO patent. And our valves, when they're automated, you can mount direct with the ISO pad and still be able to adjust the packing without removing the actuator, something most companies cannot offer. And we get into all types of automation in our Aircon 2 series, which is one of the few actuators, rack and pinion design, that could go up to 1,000,000 inch-pounds. Normally you would have to use a Scotch yoke actuator to reach that type of torque output. These are fully ISO in its mounting and fully adjustable travel stops for 5 degrees in either direction. We tried to do something that made it very simple to automate a ball valve. ISO has come along and been very popular over the last maybe 10 years. We've done something with the ISO design using the bolting pattern and made it very easy to automate valves. This is we call it our Easy Link series. These are all cast brackets, very multi-user friendly. You'll have 4 ISO holes on the top and bottom of these brackets. They are investment cast brackets, very low cost, very flexible, making your automation usage very simple. Also, we've done the same with our couplets. We have a complete offering of valve couplers which are encapsulating the valve stem. So it's very unique that we can do this and also show the flow direction, as there is a recess cut into the valve so you can easily see the flow direction of the valve. And a wide variety, we can go up to 8-inch in size from the shelf. And our main concern is quick shipments for you, low cost. And we're one of the first companies on the market that has been able to do this. We'd like to thank you for stopping by our booth at the New York Chem Show. For more information, please contact us directly or through our website at www.flotite.com. Thank you.